Hi, everybody. This is Katie from the Managed Services Department here at Planet, and I'm here to update you about this week's Play of the Week. I have some awesome news for our commercial, GCC, GCC High, and DoD customers who are using Teams devices for their resource rooms and Teams meetings. Microsoft has announced that administrators can upload and set images as custom themes in the Teams Admin Center for Teams devices, which allows images that reflect your organization's branding. The feature will first launch for Teams rooms on Android devices and gradually release for other device types. This will apply to your Teams room devices from manufacturers including Polycom, Yealink, Logitech, and others, as these devices are registered as Android devices in Intune when signed in with a licensed user account. I'm excited for this feature to roll out since organization branding is available in other key Microsoft locations, including the Windows Login, Windows Desktop, Microsoft 365 and Azure portals, and in Teams desktop clients. This feature will be rolling out in June 2024 to commercial GCC, GCC High, and DoD customers. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Play of the Week, and as always, let us or your IT staff know if you have any questions. Thanks again and have a great week.